Welcome to the Smart Science Measuring video about the enthalpy of solution. Now, in this lab, we're going to take various powdered chemicals, pour them into water, mix them in, and see if it changes the heat in that liquid. Does it make the water warmer? Does it make it colder? In other words, is heat lost or gained during a dissolution reaction or a dissolving reaction? Okay, the top of the screen, we just have a basic flow of the procedure of the lab. We're going to weigh the chemical, put the water in the calorimeter, we're going to put the chemical in, and then we're going to read off the temperature. We're going to do that several times for each substance so that you get a nice graph to show if the temperature raises, lowers, or stays the same with several samples of the chemical put in, dissolved in the water. To do the reading, we're going to be clicking on the red liquid in the thermometer. You can see a diagram of that right there and where you have to click. In other words, as the temperature goes up, down, or stays the same, just click on that liquid level and that's going to give you a temperature reading. So considering that question, is heat lost or gained during a dissolution reaction? You want to start by writing or picking a hypothesis you'd like to test. Now, most classes you're going to pick a hypothesis. Advanced classes you may write one. Here's what that looks like, goes into the box right there. And now we've got all these different substances that we can dissolve in water and see what happens. If I pick a substance and I press play, just real quick, there it is. I know that video goes by very quickly, but it's not super important, just showing you what the substance looks like, the fact that it's been put into the water, and now an extreme close-up of the thermometer so you can get good data on the temperature. Okay, clicking the red liquid, we'll see what happens to the temperature over time. And once you've clicked on all the points for a given video, it's going to prompt you to press save. If you don't like your data, press reset and do it again. Once you've saved, you're going to get each graph with a color so you can easily compare them with the all button. You've also got data tables to show you how much solid was added and how much temperature changed. Try to figure out if heat is lost or gained during a typical dissolution reaction in this Smart Science lab.